morning students, I welcome you to the online video session of Standard 5. Dear students, we are learning first unit food lesson. Come on students, let's do the evaluation.
Choose the correct answer. The biotic factor which spoils the food item is bacteria. Grains are preserved by drying. Anemia is a disease which occurs due to lack of iron. Storage of excess fat in the body is known as obesity. Carbohydrates are rich in fruits and rice. Night blindness is caused by the lack of vitamin A. V-I-T-A-M-I-N. Vitamin A. Marasmus is a dash deficiency disease. Protein. P-R-O-T-E-I-N. Protein. Bad smell from the food item is due to spoilage of food. S-P-O-I-L-A-G-E. Spoilage of food. F-O-O-D. Food. Humidity in air is one of the dash factor which spoils food. Abiotic. A-B-I-O-T-I-C. Abiotic. Using low quality gas tubes in the gas stove may lead to gas leakage. G-A-S. Gas leakage. Match the following. Protein deficiency, what is the answer? Kwashiorkor. Rickets, vitamin D. Obesity, physical inactivity. Kerosene, inflammable material. Freezing fruits. True or false? First one, vinegar is added as a preservative for pickles. True. T-R-U-E. True. Irradiation affects the taste of the food materials. False. F-A-L-S-E. Third one, in case of gas leakage, we can continue to use electrical appliances. False. We should not use electrical appliances. Fourth, deficiency due to iodine is called as beriberi. False. Iodine deficiency disease is goiter. Growing children need more proteins in their food. True. T-R-U-E. True.
Major food items. The food we are eating mainly categorized into these three types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats. What is BMI, students? BMI means body mass index. The formula used to calculate BMI is weight in kilogram divided by height in square meter. Weight in kilogram by height in square meter. More number of people die every year due to heart diseases. So more number of people die every year due to heart disease. Kwashiorkor disease is found more among people in developing countries. Kwashiorkor spelling is Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor disease is found more among people in developing countries. Come on students, let's learn about the disease caused by lack of vitamins and minerals. Name of the vitamin or mineral, name of the disease. Vitamin A. Deficiency disease of vitamin A is night blindness. Vitamin B. Deficiency disease of vitamin B is beriberi. Vitamin C. Deficiency disease of vitamin C is scurvy. Vitamin D. Deficiency disease is rickets. Vitamin E. Deficiency disease is sterility. Vitamin K. Deficiency disease is hemorrhage. Iodine. Deficiency disease is goiter. Iron. Deficiency disease is anemia. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, sterility. Vitamin K, hemorrhage. Iodine, goiter. Iron, anemia. Study this table thoroughly, students. Now, students, let's learn some new words and their meanings from the lesson. Extinguisher. E-X-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H-E-R. Extinguisher means a fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device used to extinguish or control small fires, often in emergency situations. A fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device used to extinguish or control small fires, often in emergency situations. Extinguisher means in Tamil it is known as Hanipan. Inflammable. I-N-F-L-A-M-M-A-B-L-E. Inflammable means easily set to fire. Easily set to fire. Readily catches fire is also known as inflammable substance. Examples for inflammable substances are kerosene. K-E-R-O-S-E-N-E. Kerosene. Petrol. P-E-T-R-O-L. Petrol. Diesel. D-I-E-S-E-L. Diesel. Ventilation. V-E-N-T-I-L-A-T-I-O-N. Ventilation. The provision of fresh air to a room, building, etc. So ventilation means the provision of fresh air to a room, building, etc. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Kitchen is a room or area where food is prepared and cooked. So what is kitchen, students? Kitchen is a room or area where food is prepared and cooked.
Fifth Roman, answer briefly. First question, define deficiency diseases. Certain diseases are caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. They are called deficiency diseases. By eating vitamin and mineral rich food items, we can avoid these diseases. What is known as balanced diet? For growth and maintenance of good health, our body should have all the nutrients in correct proportion. Such a diet is called balanced diet. How can we prevent obesity? Eating healthy foods and having regular physical activity can reduce obesity and overweight. What should we do in case of minor burns? In case of minor burns, the burnt area should be held under cool running water for some time and proper medical treatment should be given. Define spoilage of food. The change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of food. What is the purpose of food preservation? To retain the color, taste, and nutritive value of the food. To make food available throughout the year. To prevent the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in the food items. To reduce the wastage of food materials. Preserving food not only protects our health but also makes food available to the people who need it. Sixth Roman, answer in detail. First question, write about food preservation methods. Food preservation methods. Cultivation of food requires lot of efforts. Nowadays, food cultivation and the crop yielding are decreasing. There are many people suffering in the world without food. So, we need to protect and preserve the food. The following are the ways to preserve food. Drying. It is the process of removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. Example, grains. Addition of salt. It is the method of adding salt to food to remove the water. Example, fish pickles. Addition of sugar. In this method, sugar is added to food. Sugar dissolves in the water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Example, jam, fruit juices. Freezing. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity of the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Example, fruits, vegetables. Boiling. Boiling kills the microorganisms present in the food materials. Example, milk, water. Canning. In this method, food is packed in airtight cans so that germs do not grow on them. Example, milk powder. Addition of chemical preservatives. Chemical preservatives are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials. Example, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. Explain the different types of food. Carbohydrates. Sources: honey, sugarcane, fruits, whole grains, vegetables, rice. Proteins: legumes, pulses, nuts, soya bean, green leafy vegetables, fish, egg, milk. Fats: egg yolk, saturated oil, meat. Write about kitchen safety. Kitchen is an important place in our home. We prepare our food in the kitchen. We use gas cylinders for cooking. Some of us may use electric stoves. The equipments and the environment in the kitchen may be little dangerous. So, we need to be cautious and careful. The dangers related to the things used in the kitchen and the safety measures to be taken are explained below. Gas. Gas catches fire easily. Once gas is leaked, there may be dangerous consequences, so we need to be careful while handling cylinders. The following table gives what we should do and what we should not do while handling gas cylinders. Do's: keep the cylinder in vertical position at plane level and in a well-aired place. Don'ts: do not keep the cylinder in horizontal or inverted position. Do's: keep the lighter ready and then turn on the gas stove knob. Don'ts: Do not turn the gas stove knob before lighting the lighter. It may lead to gas leakage. Do's. Keep the windows and doors open to ensure ventilation in case of gas leakage. Don'ts. Do not turn on electrical appliances in the kitchen. If there is a gas leakage, it may lead to fire. Do's. Always use ISI standard gas stoves, regulators, and gas tubes. Don'ts. Do not use low quality gas stoves, tubes, and regulators. It may lead to gas leakage. Electrical appliances. Do not operate electrical appliances with wet hands because it leads to electrical shocks. Fire. Do not keep the inflammable materials like kerosene etc. near the stoves. In case of person clothes catching fire, cover the person with a thick blanket or carpet. If kerosene or oil catches fire, use sand to put out the fire. If solid materials like wood catch fire, use water to put out the fire. If an electrical appliance catches fire, unplug the appliance and disconnect the electricity. Use proper fire extinguishers to put out the fire. Draw any two food items rich in proteins. See the diagram and then draw any two food items. Draw any two food items rich in carbohydrates. Draw any two perishable food items.
Thank you, students.